Some yoga teachers believe that inside your body you have these circles, these rainbow-like circles, yeah? They're called chakras. And inside the circles, maybe even there's a mouse that runs around and makes this wheel go round and round inside your body. And when the mouse is full of energy, you are full of energy. But if these wheels aren't like working, you can feel sad, tired,
Or
sick or emotional. Yeah?
crazy.
Yeah, crazy. That explains a lot.
But are they even real?
If you looked inside the body, if you looked inside my body and your body, you wouldn't see them. You wouldn't find them. So, I mean, if I looked inside your body, all I would see was eggs and Weetabix.
If I looked in yours, I would see chicken and bear.
What? Yes, fair.
But why do people even believe these things?
These yoga teachers believe a lot of funny things. You know, because someone in India wrote it in a book, it has to be true, right? But, you know, these yoga teachers are, you know, strange people, darling.
But not my mommy.
Especially your mummy, mate.
Not my mummy.
Oh, not your mummy. Okay, right. Thank you for this video, baby.
You're welcome.
Really helpful here.